Today we're showing you a 2017 Mahindra EMAX25L tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with loader and backhoe. The tractor was traded in locally here by a fellow that no longer had need for the backhoe, so he traded this machine on a unit with no backhoe. Nice clean little tractor here. Hours are just over, I believe it's 340 or 350, right in that range, so low hour machine. Does have the skid steer saw quick attach here and your bucket connection. Paint's in pretty good shape. It's not perfect. You've got some paint off the front grill guard here. The paint in the hood is pretty good. It's pretty bright yet. A little bit of scuffs here on top of the loader arms, but overall nice looking tractor. Does have the bar tires on it, hydrostat transmission, and again it does have the backhoe back here as well. We do have the 3-point arms with it here as well, so you can easily remove this backhoe and use the 3-point blades or brush hogging, anything to that nature. It is a subframe mounted backhoe, so that is a nice sturdy backhoe design. Nice clean little tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.